Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad and you are watching Mep Tech Tips channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I have brought you another video in firefighting system, and this is fire hydrant pipe installation external. You have seen lot of video inside building for the firefighting system installation, which we have done from the scratch with the preparation of pipe, installation of sprinkler system, and supporting details, and lots of video are there. And there are some setting of machine for the threading, grooving, everything. So now come back to this video. Sorry for the delay to upload the video. We are very busy at site nowadays, and as you know that I have told my old previous videos that we are going to hand over our site very soon. So due to that, it's getting little delay for uploading the new videos, but inshallah we are going to upload more and more videos for the firefighting pump room, false ceiling closing, and as well as fire hydrant installation as well. So come back to the video. As you can see here, the pipe installation been done. We are preparing the pressure test prior to the concerned inspection. Actually this pipe is HDPE pipe, high density polyurethane, and the joints are butt fusion joints. See, as I said in my previous video also, the pipe should be approved, civil defense approved, ULFM approved, because all pipes of firefighting system, it should be approved by civil defense and ULFM, and I have explained about the ULFM in previous videos as well. And as you can see here, as I said before also, inside the building you have to coordinate with other services. The same way you have to coordinate externally also, because the externally also we have lot of services. So after getting the clearance from main contractor, we have to mark our line straight, because all pipes should be straight, because we cannot go zigzag in any piping system. So we have, after getting clearance from main contractor, we have taken the area and we have marked our line. Then we have been installed our supports, and after installing the supports we have laid our pipe straight, and then the joints been done at site. So we are checking the height. Now we are preparing actually the pressure test. The inshallah in next videos I will give you more details about the pipe, and as well as the installation detail, how we did the installation at site. So guys, stay tuned with me, and more videos going to come. And if you don't see the previous video, please check the playlist of firefighting. You will see more videos of our firefighting system. So we'll see in next video. Please subscribe, share my channel, and give me a big thumbs up. Assalamu alaikum.